Yeah.
Come to the basement. Hombre.
What's up, Mike?
Theo didn't take one of the handles green.
Oh.
What's
There's a T under the sink, a little compression fitting T with a little piece of copper tubing sticking out of the bottom of it and a nut.
That's just so I need the water feed and the drain feed aren't hooked up yet.
Right.
My name is Jim Ferrari. I'm a building engineer, sometimes super. Been working the building for 31 years. Started off as the elevator starter and done just about every job there is here. And I pretty much run the physical plant of the building. The building pumps, basically city water pressure is only capable of pushing water approximately 6 floors in Manhattan. What we need to keep water up as high as the building is a 42-story building. We pump water up to the roof house and the water then works its way down through a series of pipes. I pretty much don't know where all the pipes are and where all the intermediate valves are. Just, you do learn these things after 31 years. What you can isolate, what you can't isolate. There are sections of the buildings you'd almost have to shut down the water feed at the tanks. The cooling tower, you make sure the water levels are proper, make sure that the fans are cycling on and off properly. It's pretty much established that a water-cooled air conditioner is more efficient running than an air-cooled air conditioner because water has a higher heat transfer rate. So what we do there is we circulate the water through the hotter side of the air conditioner to take the heat out. And then we pump the water through the cooling tower and actually dissipate its heat, which then causes dehumidification and cooling at the same time. The elevator system is basically take Con Edison's electricity, which comes in as alternating current. We then change it to approximately 400 volts DC, and we then run DC motors, which have variable speed capability, to run the hoist motors, which make the elevators run up and down, with various other controllers that tell the car where it is in relationship to the other floors in the shaft and how level it is. Yesterday was insane. When I came in, I heard a steam leak. The pressure reducing valves basically should bring normal street pressure from Con Edison, which is approximately 170 pounds, bring it down to about 40 pounds and then reduce it further to a more manageable 6 to 8 pounds, depending on which system we're dealing with. It was basically going through at full pressure. Both the primary and secondary pressure reducing valves failed. It was going out through the safeties and just blowing live steam throughout the whole steam room. I've been to seminars where we've discussed various electronic controls, building-wide supervision stations, which allow you to even to the point of putting a control valve on every radiator in the building that you can control from one central point. I would like to have a more modern system, but again, does the cost of replacing bring up enough savings in or comfort levels in the building? And I don't know. That's not my department. I mean, you're going to be constantly watching what's going on. You've got to listen to your tenants, and you will find what really is happening, and just paying attention to everything.